What is Light Press Clean Preview on the iPhone 16 series? Now in settings, in the camera settings, you will see a feature called Light Press Clean Preview. It is a feature on the iPhone 16 that allows you to quickly access and adjust camera settings without obscuring the viewfinder. To access these settings, you can go back to your home screen and then tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down, then tap on Camera, then tap on Camera Control, and from here you can turn on or switch off Clean Preview. When you lightly press on the camera control button, the Clean Preview mode activates and it gives you a beautiful clean screen without all the controls. You only have the viewfinder. So it hides all the camera interface elements except for the viewfinder and the essential controls. This provides a cleaner and less cluttered shooting experience, especially when you want to focus solely on the subject and composition. And that's it. So if you prefer to have all the camera controls visible, you can disable Clean Preview. This will allow you to access settings like zoom, exposure, and flash without having to press the camera control button twice. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.